Beautiful boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a song from CKay featuring Ronisia called Lose You. So it's a 4-chord song, no need for any capo. Let's do this. So let's look at the chords first. We have the A minor, which is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next is G, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. D next, and that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord will be C major 7, like that. So it's third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we have a melody which I'm gonna show you now, and then we're gonna look at the strumming pattern. So let's start with melody. The chord progression through the entire song will be A minor, G, D, and then C major, G, D. Alright, so let's look at the A minor part first. You hold the chord as it is, and then you're gonna play this part. Okay, so that is open A, and then second D. And then you're gonna play 3 notes 3 times after each other. So it will be this part 3 times. That is first fret B string, second fret G, and second fret D. And you repeat that 3 times. So that's the A minor part. Then comes the G, sounds like this. And that will be 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with open G. Then 2nd fret G and open B. And then you end with the D here for the first half of this chord progression, with just this pick here, the open D together with second G. Okay, so the first half was A minor, G, and D with this. And then comes the second half, the C major, G, D, and the C major, you hold the chord as it is, and the pattern will be the same as you played for A minor, which is this. So that will be 3rd fret on A string, and then 2nd fret D string. And then comes this pattern here, 3 rounds. It's the open B, open G, and second D. So 3 rounds of that. So, and that's the C major. Let's move on to the G now. This part sounds like that. And that is 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with 3rd fret B string. Then 1st fret B string and open B. And then you end with the final chord, the D, in the same way as you played the D before, just this pick. And that is open D again together with second G. So that was the second and final half of this picking here. So together everything sounds like this for 1 round. So that is the picking. Now let's look at the strumming. So for strumming here, we're gonna look at 1 full round, and we're gonna look at that with the A minor. And we will then divide it into 2 different parts, because we're gonna split this strumming into different chords. So 1 full round of A minor will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. So that is 1 full round. So the first part will be down, down, up, clap. Okay. Down, and the second part will be just down up. So if we build these two parts together, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. All right, so with that, we're gonna look at the strumming pattern and how many times you're gonna do for each and every chord. So the chord progression will be, of course, the same. The A minor, you will strum for 2 full rounds. So down, down, up, clap, down, up, down, down, up, clap, down, up. And then you're gonna go to G and play just the part 1, the down, down, up, clap, and then you play the D for 1 full strumming round. So it will be like this, the first round, first parts. And notice there on the last D, the first down, between that one and then the down up that follows right after, you have a longer break than you play for just the straight strumming for A minor, for instance. So again, A minor, G, D. So the last D is down, down, clap, down. And then you follow the same pattern with the C major, G, and D. So C major 2 rounds, G part 1, and D 1 full round with this longer break after the first down. So all right, so that is 1 full round. Let's go for a couple rounds with the strumming. Alright, so that's it, guys. CKay's Lose You, so good luck with this one. And as always, play tuned.